Destiny led me to this. Welcome to my channel. I'm Miranda Abrams, the Wine Boss Lady. And on this channel, I'll share more about the wine industry. Today, I want to share with you how I started my wine business with these two birthmarks. Yes, you heard right. Come, let me share with you my destiny story. I was born in Constantia on a farm where there was grape vineyards, where my mother used to eat a lot of grapes when she was pregnant with me. But during the apartheid era, we were removed to a disadvantaged area where I grew up and had lots of adversities. But God gave me and my family the gift to become winemakers, so we ventured into the wine industry. I was born with two birthmarks on my legs. One is in the shape of Africa and the other one is a bunch of grapes, which we replicated into our logo and named it Birthmark of Africa Wines. So we connect my past and my present to a true destiny story. If you like to see more of my videos, please subscribe, like, share, and turn on the notification bell icon and comment below. Thanks for watching. Until next time, cheers.